In these short videos of this new playlist of mine, I'll decipher some of the most famous Iron Maiden riffs. I'll chop them into short accessible parts so that anyone, even beginners, may be able to play. The only difference will be the amount of work on your part. I'll show you the stuff, the rest is in your court. Let's start today with this killer riff, Phantom of the Opera. Just a few words before action. This riff obviously was composed cut and play, and my job was to make it fit into theoretical boxes to be able to teach it easily. It is composed in triple time, alternating triplets and sextuplets. It means that each beat is divided into 3 parts or multiples of 3. 3 eighths notes for the triplets, and 6 sixteenths notes for the sextuplets. And in the riff, and sextuplets. Like the end. Okay? The first one. It also begins with an ANACRUSIS, which is the most difficult part, especially for beginners. An ANACRUSIS is a note, or sequence of notes, a motif, which precedes the first downbeat in a bar in a musical phrase. It means that the first 2 notes, the first 2 sixteenths notes, are hanging in the air before the first downbeat. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. You need to count in your head to play it right, because there is no drum part, no hi-hat behind it. Nothing, just the bass and the guitar. You can divide the beat into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, 1 in your head, or you can count them aloud, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, and when you pronounce 3, you just play double notes. That's the ANACRUSIS. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, etc. The next part is sextuplets. And you can loop it if you like. Just to practice. And then triplets. 1, 2, 3. Loop it. Okay, and the end. Sextuplets like in the beginning. Just follow the scale, E minor. Let's play it as a whole. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. Etc. Please thumb, subscribe, hit the bell, comment and share. Thank you very much. See you the next time for another riff. Bye bye.